kids. Let's learn some colors and shapes. Pick a green color, red color, blue color, black color, violet color, dark green color, pink color, orange color, light pink color, brown color, yellow color, sky blue color. Let's draw the shape. Square. Heart. Circle. Octagon. Star. Triangle. Brown color. Square. Brown color. Light pink color. Heart. Heart. Light pink color. Dark green color. Circle. 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 Dark green color. Black color. Hexagon. Octagon. 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 Black color. Yellow color. Star. 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 Yellow color. Sky blue color. Triangle. 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 Sky blue color. Brown color, light pink color, dark green color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color, square, heart, circle, octagon, star, triangle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.